Is your neck stiff, shoulders feeling heavy, posture collapsing at your desk? Let's reset that before it ruins your day. This flow is built for desk workers. 5 minutes to release tension, restore posture, and wake up muscles you forgot you had. And that last stretch, it's going to unlock something that's been stuck for way too long. Stand tall or kneel. Interlace your fingers behind your back and slowly pull your knuckles down as you lift your chest up and out. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and breathe into the front of your body. This stretch matters because this posture is sneaky. You don't realize how much it tightens your chest until your back starts screaming. I promise this move alone will help you sit taller and breathe deeper by the end of this routine. Beginners, keep hands at lower back level instead of clasping. Advanced stretches, fold forward at the hips as arms lift up. Surprising fact, a tight chest actually weakens your upper back over time. Yep, tightness causes weakness. Pull a little deeper. Open the heart. Hold it for 5 more seconds. Do you feel that stretch across your collarbone? If not, your shoulders may be still rolled forward. Open them gently. That just resets your posture. Now let's work through some sticky spots in your shoulders. Bring your right arm across your chest and gently pull it in with your left hand. Drop the shoulder away from your ear. Feel that line of tension through your deltoid and outer shoulder. Breathe into it. Switch sides at the halfway mark. This stretch unlocks a lot more than just the shoulder. It's key to increasing mobility without pain. I promise if you stick with this one, over time it will help reduce that deep shoulder ache that creeps in after long days. Beginners, keep arm lower across chest. Advanced stretches, lift arm a little higher to deepen the angle. Here's a cool fact. This stretch also helps improve scapular control, which means better posture and better range of motion. Pull just a little closer. Can you give it 5 more seconds? Is it more intense on one side? That imbalance could be why one shoulder always feels tighter. That just loosens your delts. Now we're going overhead. Raise your right arm overhead. Bend the elbow and place your hand between your shoulder blades. Gently use your left hand to press down on the right elbow. Switch sides after 30 seconds. This stretch releases the tension that accumulates from reaching forward all day, like using your keyboard, your phone, or even driving. I promise unlocking this area can improve shoulder circulation and even reduce tension aches. Beginners, use a strap or towel if you can't reach. Advanced stretches, add a slight side bend to deepen the stretch. Triceps tightness actually contributes to neck and shoulder pain. Who knew? Press that elbow just a touch further. Hold 5 more seconds. Can you feel that space opening behind your arm? That's shoulder freedom in the making. That just opened up your overhead range. Now let's release the spine. Start in tabletop. Slide your right arm underneath your left, bringing your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips stacked. Switch sides after 30 seconds. Now we're reaching into the part of the spine that gets zero love when you're sitting for hours. This one is a game changer. I promise this move will help unwind tension you've been carrying between your shoulder blades without even realizing it. Beginners, keep the supporting hand under your shoulders. Advanced stretches, reach the supporting arm forward for a deeper twist. This twist targets the thoracic spine, the one most affected by hunching. Sink a little deeper into that twist. Breathe and hold for 5 more seconds. Feel the stretch down the back of your shoulder? That's where your posture starts improving. That just wrung out your spine. Let's finish with something that lifts you tall. Stand tall, reach your left arm overhead, then gently lean to the right, keeping your chest open. Hold, then switch to the left halfway through. This is the grand finale. It integrates the entire upper body and brings balance back to your sides. I promise the stretch brings circulation to areas that tighten just from breathing shallow all day long. Beginners, keep one hand on hip for support. Advanced stretches, try holding a light object overhead for resistance. Side bends stimulate the intercostal muscles. Yes, the ones between your ribs that help you breathe better. Reach taller, lean further. Give it 5 more seconds. Can you feel that length? That space you just created. And space always leads to strength. Look at that. This is how we fight back against the desk. But if your body is facing 8 hours of sitting, it needs more than 5 minutes. That's why I created the 3-day reset, a free plan to keep your spine strong, your shoulders loose, and your posture pain-free all day. Tap the link now in the description or pinned comment before your body slips back into desk mode. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.